Hello students, the question says the independent random variable x and y are such that it has mean 8 and variance 4.8 and y has Poisson distribution of mean 6. So for Poisson distribution, so for x, we'll first write that the expected value of x is given as 8 and the variance of x is given as 4.8. Now for y has a Poisson distribution of mean 6. So that literally means the value of the expected value of y is 6. So if I'm to find the expected value of 2x minus y, so we'll write expected value of 2x minus 3y. So we can split it as expected value of 2x minus expected value of 3y. So since this 2 is a scalar multiple, so 2 comes out the expected function, so it becomes twice of e to the power x minus, again 3 is a scalar multiple, so it comes out of the expected function, so thrice of e to the power y, which is equals to twice into e to the power x has a value 8 minus 3 into e to the power y has value 6, so which is 16 minus 18. So the answer is minus 2, and that's the final answer for this question. Thank you, students.